All right, here's another example, guys, because you're probably like, I don't know how to do this, super confused. Um, so sorry if I'm underestimating you, but uh, it's not easy to learn this stuff, this empirical molecular stuff. So here we go. Here's another sample problem similar to the assignment due tomorrow. All right, so let's say you have an unknown compound that contains sulfur and oxygen. And we are given information, and it says the mass of sulfur is 8 grams in the compound, and the mass of oxygen, that's really bad, X. Mass of oxygen is also 8 grams. Calculate the empirical formula. All right, we have to find moles. That's the key here. Always find moles. So we're going to find moles of sulfur and moles of oxygen, then divide by the lowest number of moles to get our mole ratio. That's the gist of it. So here we go. Sulfur on the periodic table is 32 and oxygen 16. So we know for sulfur, we know 32 grams are in 1 mole. We don't have 32, we have 8. So 8 grams, there's X. X equals, when you cross multiply, it's 8 divided by 32. You get 0.25 moles. Again, how do we get that? X times 32 equals 8. 8 divided by 32 equals X. I'm skipping that step, but there you go. Now for oxygen, all right, so separate that. Oxygen, we know 16 grams are in 1 mole. Oops. Jeez. 16, hello. Sorry. 16 grams are in 1 mole. We don't have 16, we have 8. So how many moles is that? That's 0.5 moles. Did I do that? Yeah. So 8 divided by, or 8 times 1, and then 16x, so 8 divided by 16. All right, so now basically here's the thing. We have S.25 and O.5. S.25 and O.5, right? 0.25 S, 0.50. All right, obviously that's messy, sorry. So this cannot stay. We need whole numbers. I can look at this and I can say, again, for me it's easy. For you, not so much, I assume. This number is 2 times that number. So I know the ratio is 1 to 2. So the answer is SO2. But how you show the work is you take 0.25, divide by 0.25. So that's 1 atom of sulfur. And then you take 0.5 divided by 0.25. And that's 2 atoms of oxygen. So now the 1 goes here, 1. And the 2 goes here. SO2 is the formula. You can show the 1 if you want, but we just don't typically do that. So there's another example to help you do the worksheet due tomorrow. And I'll stop it, so that was not very long. So you can watch that quickly. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. There we go. All right.